Hi, I'm Gloria McDonald, and if you are already a GiveBux user, fantastic. Today I'm going to show you how to send money to someone in GiveBux. If you're not a GiveBux user, you want to be a GiveBux user. This is my all-time #1 money-saving app. It's a payment app, it's a super app, and it's absolutely free to join. So you can see right here that I am logged into my GiveBux account, and I have a balance here of $84.37. And I want to send $50 to someone. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the top right corner and click on the burger menu, these 3 bars right there. So I'm going to click on that. And then you can see down here, it says send money. So I'm going to tap on the send money. Then I'm going to enter my code here. Let me just hang on. Okay. So I enter my security code there and, oh, sorry, wrong code. Let me try this again. Okay, there we go. Then I've got these different ways to send money. I can send money by phone, by email, from my contacts. So I'm sending money to someone else who has a GiveBux account. So if you want to use this to send basically a virtual gift card for the holidays, for birthdays, for graduation, for anniversaries, whatever, this is a fantastic way to do it. You simply have your friend, family member sign up for a free GiveBux account, and then you can send them money. So in this case, I'm going to send by vanity name because I'm sending to one of my other accounts. So I'm going to send by vanity name. So I'm going to click on that. And then you can see I'm going to type the vanity name in here. So I have an account that is Gloria Mac. So I'm going to send that to Gloria Mac. Okay. And I'm going to hit the purple search. And there you see, it comes up as Gloria McDonald. So I just tap on that again, tap on Gloria McDonald, and then I enter the amount I want to send. So in this case, I'm going to send $50. And you could write a message. So you could type in here, happy birthday. Okay, have a fantastic one, whatever, whatever. Okay, and I can send little emojis. So I can send a message in there, and then I'm just going to scroll up and I'm going to tap on the purple submit button and then confirm. Are you sure you want to send $50 to Gloria McDonald, username Gloria Mac? And I'm going to hit the send there. You can obviously hit cancel. And then you've got to enter security questions. So I'm going to stop my share and enter my security questions. So let me just stop my share for a second and enter my security question here. So you answer that, and then I'm going to share a screen again so that you can see that that the money, in fact, has been sent. There you go. Congratulations, you've sent $50 to your friend Gloria McDonald. And then you just hit OK, and you can see my balance is now down to $34.37. So I successfully sent money to Gloria McDonald, and then I am going to just stop my share again for a second here. And I'm going to log out of that account so that you can see what you have to do. I'm going to go log into my Gloria McDonald, my other Gloria McDonald account, so that you can see that the money in fact has arrived there. And there is the person receiving the funds just has to accept them. So I want to show you that part. So let me just log in there so that you can see what the person who receives the funds sees. So now I'm in my other Gloria McDonald account, and it says you have pending transactions and then proceed to verify. So I just tap on that purple proceed to verify button, and it says you received $50 from Gloria McDonald by email, GiveBux Pay, and then I just tap on the green accept, and we should see my account So I hit accept. Okay, and then okay. And you can see my account went from $29 up to $79.23. So now that money is in there and I've got it and I can spend it in that account. Super easy. And now the beauty is if I'm sending a birthday gift or whatever to a friend, they can go in and shop and use this well over 100,000 locations, including Amazon, which is huge. You've now just sent them, in effect, a gift card for all kinds of restaurants, stores, including Amazon. Okay, so I hope you found this helpful. Come back for more how-to videos.